Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable edit icons in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process. I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Moodle website of your school. After you are in the website, you will be prompted to the login page. Here you can enter your username and your password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to this dashboard. Now, in order to enable the edit icons, go up to your courses. Now select the courses that you want to edit. I just selected the German course. Now here you can see the edit option. Click on it. If you want to have more control, you can also enable this edit option. You can see the edit mode over here. Click on it. If you scroll it down, you can see different editing icons. You can align your content as per your requirements. You can add the page break. You can add a list. You can get a bunch of editing icons over here. You can add a new section. Here you can see the pen icon. If you click on it, you can give a new name to this section. If you click on this three dots icon, it'll open more settings. You can delete this section, you can hide this, you can duplicate these, highlight this, or you can edit further settings. So that's it. That's how you can enable edit icons in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.